Hey boy. Alright. Hello, folks. It's Joe again. I'm doing the first page of Chicken Outfit 4, and now we've got a real brain pod in here. The last one was, I don't know what it reminded me of, but I wasn't very happy with it. This is what they should be looking like. Got our background in place. The sun is setting, the stars are shining, and now we're going to fill in the pod. So I've taken it from the front of the magazine for this one just to get a I got to make the connection, the feel. This is what it's going to look like, yada yada yada. So basically I'll do what I normally do, which is you want to do a quick and dirty all the way around. And that's little poot there, little poot coming out. There we go. Fill, boom, easy as pie, right? See, so simple, so straightforward. And then use your eraser to go around the outside. And this takes no time at all. Then I want to bring down the size. I normally work in 10s and 20s. It's, if you're going to be erasing at a 10, you want to have your oil or ink at a double, because that way it's easier to just flip back and forth and get the little pieces out of there real quick. I find. Again, this is the way I do things, not the way you might do things or the way that you might think they should be done. I am merely imparting my particular brand and style upon you, dear viewer. Alright, almost there. See, this didn't take very long at all. Less than a minute, I would say. Though, as conscious of time that I am, sometimes I really get into this. Done. Okay. I find that Clip Studio Paint has this bizarre interaction with spaces in Macintosh and OS X. I'm always losing the window and getting the tools when I try and flip back and forth, because I keep track of things with the this dealie up here. Anyway, one of the things you can use this for, and the reason that it's in my mind so important, is that you can then do you'll see all this jagged crap now, right, around the edges. You'll see where I missed everything, where it needs to be cleaned up. But what I normally do is this, and again, this is what I do. So I'll duplicate both the hard line and the fill. Then I'll combine those two, because now what we've got is a hard edge. I'll fill it with white on both sides. Okay, all right, you got me. Whoops. We'll fill in these little deals first. Pain in the butt. See, it's always something. And I'm not perfect, folks. I've got many flaws. All right. Whoa, there's one. All right. Regardless, now we've got our outline, our punch. I'm sure you can do with a mask or something else. So what I then do is I get black outline, because I want a nice thick outline on it, and I say there, and I do that, and I do that, and I throw that underneath. Now you'll notice that, oh boy, just a sec. Whoops. I fucked that right up, didn't I? Let's see, is it this one? Christ. Hold on a sec, folks. So I left off with this jagged crap around the edge of the... Whoa, calm down there, buddy. Around the edge of the thingy there. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take your selection and you want to get the, let's just get rid of this entirely now. Go to selection. Jeez, I just had this a minute ago. Select it. Shrink the selected area. Now the shrinking type I'm not too familiar with, so I just do like say 1 or 2 back and at the edge of the canvas. Then just flip it around and hit Command Delete or whatever. And then you can bring it up another couple pixels to get a nice thick line around it. That's what I was trying to do. So, yeah. Enjoy, he said.